Hello everyone, welcome to Learning Vent. You must have heard all work and no play makes Jack a dull boy. It means some entertainment is very necessary in between studies. So here I am with an interesting quiz on our favorite sitcom Friends. Do you claim yourself a big fan of Friends? Then this quiz is definitely for you. Are you ready? Let's start with our first question. Who did Mr. Heckles leave his apartment when he died? Monica and Rachel, Monica and Ross, Chandler and Joey, Phoebe and Monica. Your time starts now. And yes, the right answer is Monica and Rachel. What did Phoebe offer everyone during her grandmother's funeral? Her grandmother's famous cookies, her grandmother's hairs, 3D glasses or wristband. And the right answer is 3D glasses. Do you remember when she was giving 3D glasses to everyone, including her father? Complete the Chandler Bing's comment. I am not great at advice. Try asking Monica, can I say something funny instead? Can I interest you in a sarcastic comment? Can I interest you with my dancing skills? And the right answer is, can I interest you in a sarcastic comment? We all agree Chandler is damn sarcastic. When was the first time Joey said, "How you doing?" In season 1, season 2, season 3 or season 4? You won't believe this famous dialogue of Joey was said by him in season 4. What were the names of the bullies in The One with the Bullies? A difficult question. Aaron and Chris, Andy and Jesse, Arthur and Carl, Andrew and Paul. And the right answer is Arthur and Carl. Kind of difficult one, right? Phoebe can fluently speak which other language? German, French, Spanish or Portuguese? It's definitely French. How did Susan and Ross come up with Ben's name? It was the doctor's name. It's the name of their favorite actor. They both had uncles named Ben. It was on the janitor's name tag. The right reason was it was on the janitor's name tag. Kind of funny, right? How did Monica and Rachel convince Mr. Trigger not to kick them out for illegally subletting their apartment? Rachel goes on a date with him. Monica cleans his filthy apartment. Rachel and Monica bribe him with $4,000. Joey does ballroom dancing with him. And as you all know, Joey does ballroom dancing with him. What was Gunther's job before he worked at Central Perk? I never thought about that. He was a teacher, a soap opera actor, a marketing executive, a fashion designer. I thought it's fashion designer since he liked Rachel so much, but is it right? No, he was a soap opera actor. Nice. Kind of difficult question. Joey appeared in which of these TV shows? Mac and cheese, sandwich and chips, pizza and bacon, burger and fries. I don't think so that there is a single person who doesn't know the answer of this question. The right answer is mac and cheese. And here comes our last question. At Ross and Emily's wedding, Monica is mistaken for Ross's aunt, Ross's mother, Ross's grandmother, or Ross's cousin. A drunk man thought Monica is Ross's mother. I know all the sisters behave like mothers, but how can someone mistook one sister to be his mother? Quite illogical, right? So that's it for today. I hope you liked the video. If you did, then share it with your friends to see who can score maximum. Don't forget to tell your scores in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching. We will meet in our next video. Till then, take good care of yourself and your family. Bye-bye.